Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a membership platform with Substack step by step clearly. To create a membership platform with Substack, start by visiting the Substack website. Click on the Start Writing button to begin your journey. If you don't have an account, sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. After signing in, you will be taken to your dashboard. Click on the Create a Newsletter option to initiate the setup process. Enter your newsletter name, which reflects your brand or content focus. Next, provide a brief description of what your newsletter will offer. Choose a suitable logo or image to represent your newsletter visually. Select your preferred publishing frequency, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Now, decide on your membership model. You can offer free subscriptions, paid subscriptions, or a combination of both. For paid subscriptions, set your pricing tier in the subscription settings. Customize the benefits for your paid members to entice signups. Next, navigate to the design settings to personalize your newsletter's appearance. Choose your color scheme, font styles, and other design elements to align with your brand. Once your design is set, create your first post. Provide valuable content that resonates with your audience's interests. After finishing your post, preview it to ensure it meets your expectations. When satisfied, click the Publish button to make your content live. Promote your new Substack membership platform across your social media channels. Regularly update your platform with fresh content to keep your audience engaged. Utilize the analytics tools provided by Substack to track growth and engagement. As you grow, consider creating additional tiers or exclusive content for loyal members. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.